Erica and I were always trying to think of ideas. What could we do outside the classroom to bring in real world situations or to try to solve real world problems?
We saw that places like Veterans Park and Matthias Academy in Bristol needed picnic tables, so we thought that this could help the community in the best way possible.
At Veterans Park, there's like no seating, and that's where like a lot of our events happen.
Matthias Academy, that's where my son goes to school. It's an amazing place that works with young adults with disabilities of various kinds. We came up with the picnic table idea last year. We thought, well, this is something that we could replicate.
We used drills and we used a chop box mostly. Some measuring tapes, we used a speed square.
It was measuring correct, making sure we were accurate so it wouldn't tumble down, making sure we were patient with it.
We really learned how to work with construction and all this stuff. Mr. Ingersoll went through all the students and explained how to use these tools and safety equipment and everything like that.
We've had a long-standing partnership with 𝐬𝐨𝐫𝐞, Homes, one of our builders here in Elkhorn.
Greg and Julia are unbelievable. They're such kind people, so supportive, and he has a super demeanor working with the students.
It was really neat to see the challenges they were faced with aren't really challenges because of what they have in Project Lead the Way and the skills they've learned from pre-K all the way through now to 6th grade.
We took a lot of those skills that we teach in green architecture, and then we tied it in with energy of the environment, sustainable energy, pulling from those areas. It is pretty overwhelming to think that, here in little old Elkhorn, that they're receiving this attention. They can always look back and say, hey, I was a part of this. I helped Veterans Park, or I helped build those things to Matthias.
I'm really proud of how we work together as a team. It feels good to help the community.
It feels good because I'll probably sit in one of these tables at some point and just to say hey, I did this and I accomplished something.
It feels like I'm part of something. I'm a piece working in a giant machine and I feel important and wanted, and that just feels really good.
Whether it brings a career in the trades, whether it starts a spark for engineering, whether it puts them in a completely different direction. I hope they see that even though we come from a small town, that they can go anywhere in the world and do anything in the world that they want to.
This year's PLTW Middle School Community Impact Award winner is the Picnic with a Purpose project, as designed and developed by Brady, Julia, Ryan, Brooklyn, Cameron, and their other 6th grade classmates here at Elkhorn Area Middle School.